Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to activate lost mode on iPhone. So if your iPhone got stolen or you misplaced your iPhone and you want to activate lost mode on it, here is a quick method on how to do that. So the first thing you have to do is open up your browser on your phone, then just type in icloud.com on it, icloud.com. Then once you log in your iCloud, then you input your iCloud password, you sign into your iCloud. It'll take a few seconds. Then you can also perform this on any other device. It doesn't have to be an iPhone. Once you notice that your iPhone is missing, you can just grab any device. Could be your tablet, could be your Windows laptop, could be your Mac, could be iPhone or Android. Just put in the icloud.com, then log in your Apple ID. Then from there you scroll all the way down, then you tap on find my. Okay, good. Once you tap on that, tap on the iPhone link to this iCloud, then you tap on lost. Then from here you can now set a lost mode enable for the phone. So right here you can just add an optional phone number, then also you can write an additional message. So whosoever that found your iPhone will find this message written on it together with optional number added to the lost mode. Then the person can use the number or the additional messages, maybe your address or something you add to the additional message will now be activated on the lost device. So whosoever that found your iPhone will definitely have the access to figure out where you are, or probably call you through the phone number you input through the lost mode. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, like and follow for more. Thank you.